To remove the hard drive, first remove the side panel and the front panel. Next, detach the power and data cables from the rear of the drive. Note that one or both of these serial ATA connectors may have a latch that must be squeezed to remove the connector. Remove the 2 screws that secure the hard drive to the PC. Pull the hard drive out of the front of the PC. To install a hard drive, slide the drive into its bay until the screw holes on the side of the drive align with the screw holes marked HDD on the bay. Replace the 2 screws. Reattach the power and data connectors to the back of the drive.